Welcome back to Life and Beauty with Sarah. Today, this is the second episode of Korean Beauty Reviews or K-Beauty Reviews. And today I'm going to be reviewing the Missha Time Revolution Night Repair Science Activator Ampoule. I actually have no idea how to say that word. I tried to look it up and I couldn't really hear anyone say it the same way, so I don't think anyone knows how to say this word. Ampoule is basically a small container that contains a sample of something. So I'm just going to call it the Night Repair Serum because I can't pronounce that word. A lot of people compare this to the Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Serum. Some people call it the Korean version of the ANR, as we like to call it. And a big difference is that this is about half the price. So let's find out if it works just as well. So according to the description, the Time Revolution Night Repair Serum has a lot of benefits. It's supposed to smooth and repair your skin and restore the necessary nutrients and moisture to your skin's barrier. And it also has properties that energize, revitalize, and restore elasticity. And as most skincare products, it also says that it has anti-aging and whitening benefits. So the Missha Time Revolution Night Repair Serum, as far as the packaging goes, it's a really beautiful package. As you can see, it's this really beautiful purple color, and in case you didn't know, purple is my favorite color. So it comes in this really beautiful, gorgeous purple glass bottle. It's very sturdy, it has a very good base. Even though it's a little bit heavy, it's compact enough that I carry this around with me and have no trouble with it. Oh, I forgot to mention, it has this nice ombre effect to the bottle. It starts out sort of orange down here and then gets purple as we go up. Ooh, fancy, I know, right? And perhaps one of my favorite things about the packaging of this bottle is that it comes in a dropper. As some of you who may have watched my previous videos, you know that droppers are my favorite way to apply products because I feel like it's just so neat and it's not messy because I can control exactly how much I want to come out. And the dropper is very sturdy, very well made. Everything feels very expensive. In terms of the product, the Night Repair Serum, as I said, is very accessible because it does come in dropper form, which is very nice. It means you can control how much you want to come out and to use. So if you want a lot on your face, you can do that. If you don't want a lot, then you can just, squeeze out a tiny bit. However, the product is very thick and it's very gooey and it's very sticky. So it's kind of funny that it isn't a dropper because it's not like you're gonna get drops out of this dropper. You're gonna get it like oozing out of the dropper onto your hand. Which is still not really a problem. In fact, that's probably the easiest way to get this out because it's so thick and gooey. And the product itself is a very interesting color, is the best way I could describe it. It's sort of like a pale yellow. To be honest, it reminds me of the color of an IPA, like my happy hour beer, I'm guessing they're hinting at that with the bottom of the bottle being kind of orange. It's like, don't be surprised, the product is a weird color. Missha's instructions for the Time Revolution Night Repair Essence is to apply this twice a day, so in the morning and in the night. Because my skin is still quite young, I'm pretty young, so I don't really have a lot of wrinkles or a lot of sagging or anything like that. I don't want to put too much of this product on my face. So instead what I do is I usually only use this at night, sometimes every other night because I don't want to get too much of this stuff on my face because I know it is pretty strong. What I do basically is I squeeze, the dropper until it's full, and I basically use everything that's in the dropper really, and I put it onto my palm, rub my palms together, and then I apply it in what I call like wrinkle prone areas. So basically around here, like around my eyes, where else do I do it? Around my forehead here, around my nose, and then around my mouth, and then on my neck, and whatever I have left over, I just sort of pat all over the rest of my face. This product is very sticky, which means that it goes on very easily because basically wherever you pat it, it's gonna stay there. And your skin will feel sticky for a bit afterwards, I'm not gonna lie. When you touch your face like this, it's gonna feel sticky to the touch. In terms of the results that I've seen from using this product, when I use this product and I wake up in the morning, I instantly see results. My face feels tighter, it feels like taut, and I can tell that it's a lot smoother and it's soft and moisturized. And after using this product for a couple of weeks now, I really noticed my pores are smaller. I didn't really know I had big pores until I started using this, and I noticed my pores have gotten a lot smaller. I've also noticed that my overall skin condition is better. I feel like my skin is brighter and smoother and more balanced. I've noticed my oil production is better. I think it's, to be honest, I think it's a combination of using the Missha Time Revolution Night Repair in combination with the Essence. I think both of those products have done a lot for my skin in the last couple weeks. So my favorite thing about this product is actually how gentle it feels on my skin, considering it's a serum, it's a night repair serum. I expected it to feel a lot heavier because of how thick and gooey it is, but really you put it on and it's really weightless. I have hypersensitive skin and I have no irritation whatsoever, and I believe over time the results have really gotten better. I really noticed that my skin looks more youthful with consistent use. I mean, I don't really have old looking skin necessarily, but even just, 23-year-old me, I already noticed that when I use it, my skin feels nice and tight, which I think is a really good thing, especially like, my neck area, my cheek area, and around my eyes and forehead, which are the places that I concentrated on. So it really does, for people who are looking for that, it really does do that. In terms of my least favorite things, I'm a little turned off by the color. I think it's a very strange color. When I do put it on, I notice that my forehead has this sort of like sheen to it. And that used to worry me when I first started using it, because I was like, uh-oh, my forehead is just gonna break out like crazy. But after a couple of minutes, that seems to go away as soon as it absorbs into your skin, and I've never really felt like it was weighing me down or breaking me out. So the Missha Time Revolution Night Repair Science Activator Ampoule, I tried again. This serum is $79 for 90 milliliters. It's actually on sale right now for, I think, $55. If you click on the link below, there's a link to the sale. I can honestly say that after using this, I have seen real results and it is more affordable. So if you are trying to save money and you have run out of the ANR, you might as well try this, and if it doesn't work for you, then you can give it to a friend and go back to, the tried and true. If you're in your 20s or early 30s and you're looking for a lighter anti-aging night repair serum, I would definitely recommend this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my K-Beauty review of the Missha Time Revolution Night Repair Serum. Next week, I think I will be reviewing the Amore Pacific CC Cushion Compact, which I'm really excited to review, so stay tuned. If you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up below and subscribe if you really liked watching it. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Send me an email if you have any questions, or write a comment down below. Have a great week. Thanks. Bye.